Here's something to think about when you feel righteous, no? I mean, the sense of parang pakiramdam mo napakabuti mong tao. No, kadalasan kasi, when we think about kasalanan, ang iniisip natin, gumawa ako ng masama. Kaya may kasalanan ako. Nagnakaw ako, nakapatay ako. I mean, again, no, those are the things na pumapasok sa utak natin. Nagsinungaling ako, kinaliwa ko si misis. No, gumawa ako ng kalokohan. That's the thing that often comes into mind. That's the first thing that comes into mind kapag iniisip natin kasalanan. And those are valid, by the way, no? Those are called sins of commission. I mean, it means to say that you committed something, you did something wrong. But what about those sins that you incur because you didn't do what is right? No? May mga bagay-bagay na dapat na ginawa mo pero hindi mo ginawa. Dapat ginawa mo to kasi tama to sa mata ng Diyos pero hindi mo ginawa. Nanahimik ka lang. And most of the time, the reason is wala kang pakialam. The lack of concern, apathy towards other people. Take for example, let me give you some example, okay? You see a child na nawawala sa mall. Umiiyak, hinahanap ang magulang niya. And yet ikaw, hindi ko naman anak yan eh. So I don't need to do anything. Akala mo, wala kang ginagawang masama. But the reality is that lack of concern is already sin. That lack of concern to do something right, no? That is already sin in itself. Here's another example. Nakita mo may masamang nangyari sa kapitbahay nyo. Nagkaroon ng kalamidad or sa somewhere else, no? To someone, something happened. But because it doesn't affect you, you don't care. You don't feel that sense of parang gusto mong gusto mong makidalamhati dun sa tao. That's another thing. Parang feeling mo na, minsan pa nga we come up with this idea na, hey, they probably deserve it. That's another thing that we have to consider. I mean, hindi natin naiisip na our lack of concern, our apathy, is basically causing us to sin by not doing something that we are supposed to do, choosing to be silent and not to tell people about the gospel, knowing that they will be judged later on, is one of those things. It doesn't matter kung natatakot ka, ma-reject ka, natatakot ka, ma-persecute ka, or whatever. That's another thing. Withholding truth because you don't feel that the person should be entitled to know the truth. And that is really sad. No? So, before you think about kung gaano ka kabuti, think about the things that you didn't do that you are supposed to do. No? Sabi nga sa James chapter 4 verse 17, whoever knows the right thing to do and fails to do it, it is a sin for them.